Let's go, guys.
Okay, we have another one, so nice.
That's just Thomas, by the way.
Oh, hi Thomas.
If I was a retard, I will crash into you, but I didn't.
I don't feel
just...
safe doing this now. Nope, I'm getting back off a bit. Yep.
Why?
It's Bentley.
Oh, it's a big car. You're afraid of big cars.
Dude, in my mirror there's like just a block like driving. I'm gonna get away.
I feel bad for you, 5. Gustav, reach out. He said keep left.
What do you mean, dude?
He said keep left.
No, he hasn't. It scripts too well for the SUV. I need power, but I got no power. Because
No
it's
power.
stock.
6 HP.
Yeah, but it says stock. Oh, hello guys. Brake, 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 brake.
This 720 is so fast.
Yeah. I never had... Oh, shit. I've lost a little bit of traction there. I almost hugged a Mercedes. I never had lag before, but now, with this group...
Yeah.
I think it's like joining for the first time, you just need to drive it. Oh shit, that was not a good idea of taking in this car. But I survived. With everybody else.
There's Gustav.
Just wanted to fly by y'all. How much speed?
How much speed? Sorry, Gustav. I had to have a high beams on you because I can't see shit otherwise.
Same. I just realized. As long as you keep your distance, it's not bad.
What?
Are you in the M3 again?
Yes.
It's a Tesla.
I saw you updated the M5. How are the physics now? Because the old one sucks.
Yeah. It's slippery.
Yeah. It doesn't feel... That car doesn't feel like any good saloon car.
Which car?
M5 competition.
Well, I fixed that today. Just download the one that I made.
That's what he's talking about.
Oh.
I will be
Yeah,
in a minute. I am downloading the new version of Shutoko.
Nice.
I think in 5 minutes I will be there.
Yes.
You guys take the first exit or the second one?
Keep left here.
Copy that.
keep left.
Upright, boys. Right. This is C1 in it. Yes, I don't understand that over yet. I know that now I'm going to throw in free.
I got real auto on, and this Bentley got a kick.
Okay, this car is that great at turning. Can you speak up?
Can you hear my car from back there?
I I already told you I Tesla swapped it.
Really?
Yeah.
You're boring.
Maybe I should just swap it with the M4.
No, that's gonna be annoying.
Why?
Because if you have any sound on it, it's still gonna be loud.
Yeah, that was what I was thinking, but
I'm getting butt fucked by a Ford Mustang right now.
Gustav,
yeah.
you were trying to unlink the blinkers, right, on the Golf Polo GTI?
Yeah, and I succeeded, but it says textures null.
On the blinkers.
It says texture not found when I imported to KS editor.
Oh, that shit.
So
I'm just
What the
now
fuck?
joining to the server.
M5,
Sorry?
what are you doing?
Yeah, you just drive on 2 lanes, like, which
Yeah.
way?
keep right. Oh,
Yeah, too late.
yeah, I know. I didn't think you could go this way actually.
I don't think you can. You're going a weird way.
See?
But I would gladly go up there and check it. Ah, shit. Don't like it.
Alright, I'll race it.
Don't race a bit, I'm just catching up.
This car is fucking fast. Well, it obviously
And
got
that guy's
updated.
retard.
Alright, just go.
I'm
one-
almost
100.
overtaking a M4 that's full throttle.
Yeah, we're going 100 kilometers.
This Bentley internal sounds insane.
But external. Bleh. You guys know we're heading to
just
Black
a-
Spot, right?
I just
Uh,
I'm waiting in the pits. If you can tell me where are you or where I to go.
oh my gosh, you guys are gonna laugh at me now.
Did you crash?
No,
Fuck. What?
I was in a... Oh shit, everything.
Bye bye.
I
Welcome
was
to
in
the
a
German
tunnel and
Autobahn.
I was in a tunnel and I was listening to my sound and then it just stopped. So I looked and I'm out of gas. I'm at
This M8 just randomly overtook me.
We're parking at
Pew.
the airport. Is there an airport here? Hang on. I need to go see that. Move out. Suzuki coming through.
Is that in the update?
Suzuki. Are you in a Suzuki?
Oh no, Slobby.
I'm in a
jumped again.
VM.
Mr. Spag.
No, the GT2 is.
I'm gonna change car real quick.
Alright, Suzuki, don't spoil it.
Don't spoil it. What do you mean? Oh, there's a plane!
Gustav, did you ban someone?
Maybe.
No. I kicked someone.
Yeah, that band's some police.
Arab just DM me. Why am I banned?
What's that, guys? This is our
I'm
corner
so
coming up here.
sorry. Can you unban me? Unban.
Oh wow, I love this map.
Oh, it really got updated. Nice.
No,
Yeah, I don't like
can't-
this tunnel. This tunnel feels very
can't
slippery.
un-
Okay, guys, brake.
I can't unban.
Oh wait, there is an airport here.
Do we have 3 kilometers behind you?
Oh. I guess you could say I'm good at giving warnings then.
Oh, it's a roundabout?
Well, no, you can go up this, but I missed the up thing, so I'm just gonna go this way real quick.
Wait, what?
What?
Oh. That's nice.
I'm gonna use the R6.
Shit. I feel like I'm running into fucking gun so soon.
Oh my god.
Right, we're gonna progress.
Ooh.
Don't resave it.
Still don't see you.
Oh, get in the car. Get in the car, please. Gustav, can I?
Oh, I see you. I see you.
Gustav,
You McLaren and
What
Suzuki.
did you say, Alex?
can I change the car?
Alice, you
Can
just
I-
got up here.